Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow. Oh, the world is lucky to have you. Don't you know you're kind, you're strong with a heart of gold. You brighten up lives to you we behold. Every step you take, catching everyone's eye.
Birthday ni Chika.
You're a beacon of love, let your spirit soar high. Your laughter is infectious, it fills the air with joy that's contagious. We all gladly share your presence,
Hi
happiness.
guys, dito kami sa
Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow. Oh, the world is lucky to have you. Don't you know you're kind, you're strong with a heart of gold. You brighten up lives to you we behold. Every step you take, catching
Hi.
everyone's eye. You're a beacon of love, let your spirit soar high. Your laughter is infectious, it fills the air with joy that's contagious. We all
Happy birthday muna.
gladly share.
Happy birthday, Chikay. Happy birthday, Chikay. Uy, happy birthday, Chikay. Hello. Vlogger na to ha. Mga apo, ang gaganda ng mga apo. Grabe. I love you, Chikay. Yes. Video mo. Video mo yung kapatid mo. Happy birthday, Chikay. Natulala na ang cute. Oh, ito. Sino to? Happy birthday, Chikay. Happy birthday, Chikay.
Happy birthday, Ate Chikay.
Gaganda naman. Tama na yan. Happy birthday, Chikay.
Birthday, Chikay.
Auntie, happy birthday, Chikay.
Happy birthday po kay Ate Chikay and mag-ingat ka palagi and enjoy your birthday.
Thank you.
Hi Ate, thank you for understanding me and thank you for being my best friend. Happy 18th birthday.
Happy birthday, Ai! And sana wish you all is makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral mo and matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. Love you!
Oh, dalawa kayo.
Kaya to Chika, happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Message na. Wala.
We love you so much.
Oh, message.
Happy birthday, Ate Chikay. Love you.
For tonight. So let us bow our head and hear the presence of the Lord. Please welcome Mika Jerry Sayan! Ayan!
Yes! Salamat naman! Marian! Guys, stay humble and alam mo marami Happy birthday sa Chikay! Thank you kayo sa nagustuhan mo.
Ay. Sa paper bag pala magugustuhan to. For sure.
Okay, ang next. Siyempre, mayaman to, moms. Dapat kilala mo to.
Ay.
Siyempre, si Tita Julie!
Ayan! Di na ako hihigit. Feeling ko.
Bigyan na namin ang mayaman siya.
Oo.
I-introduce niyo yun.
Hi! Happy birthday! Sana matupad na ang pangarap mo.
Alam ko yan!
Happy birthday, ate. Ito, pangkawa yun siya.
Ayan! Check it.
Check yan. Yung pinito, para sa check.
Hala!
So, happy birthday. Remote?
Calculator. Oo, remote.
Hala!
Happy birthday, ate. So, wish namin sa'yo is for the best, no? So, magiging humble lang lagi, maging masunurin sa mga magulang, at sa mga tao na kapatid sa'yo na alam mo, makakatulong para sa'yo. So,
Ay, Gab! Dito ka.
What do you say to ate?
happy birthday, I love you.
Ayun! Ayun! Ayun na naman! Sa lahat naman ng message, yun yung pinaka-the best. Yung I love you.
Happy birthday.
Hala! Ayun na I love you. Dali mo I love you.
I love you.
Ayan! Nakakatawa! Yun na lang yung the best. Friend, daddy one, friend. Ay,
Message kaya ni Chikay, Brad. Message ko mo.
hindi siya rin ba? Para ko ba? Para ko ba? What do you say?
Day. Feel up.
So, ayun, what will you say, ate?
Thank you po sa lahat ng team nyo. And I know magagamit ko po lahat. Thank you po.
tonight. Walang iba kundi ang kanyang father, si Kuya G.
Kasi akong Eagles fan.
Ay, pati ba yung music?
Katrapagin niya eh. Hindi ka to.
Kaya nga happy birthday.
Ah, Engay.
Love you.
Yes! Grabe oh. Gusto kami. Happy birthday, Chikay. Laki ah.
Ang naman si Angelita. Edit yung Angelita.
Okay na. Yan na.
Harap ah.
Sarap to. Oh, sino una ang titikim? Sige.
Hindi mo na yan.
Pampa-high blood.
Apa? Nabukas ulit yan sa ano, sa matanda. Ibiniboy mo sa matanda eh.
Ay, meron po.
Oh, may nanay ko.
Hello po.
Mika.
At kasi Luro. Maabot anin.
Thank you for coming po. And
Ay, yun eh.
wala kayong magagawa ako.
Thank you! Party! Party!
Ano ba tayo? Pagkain niya, bari.
Let's go.
Ayan mo yan, marami naman sila.
Apakaan nito. Buti malapit lang bahay. Laki nga.
Kala niya, hindi mo alam umuwi.
Kaya.
Mag-asawa na sana.
Andun pa, naliligo yung lalaki.
Ha? May papasok pala yun.
Oo, papasok. Napasarap ang tulog.
Ano na kung oras na ito, alas 3.
Yung stress na kayo? Oo.
Sila dalawa na lang natira.
Isabel, anong oras umuwi?
Aga pa sila umuwi.
Oo.
Alas 12 pa siya.
Oo.